Let us take one more example of type 2.2, construction of similar triangles having one common vertex. Now I have taken an example from exercise 4.1, fourth sum on page number 96. Triangle AMD similar to triangle AHE. AM 6.3, angle TAM 50 degrees, AT 5.6, AM upon AH 7 by 5. Construct triangle AHE. Okay, construct triangle AHE. So obviously this is our required triangle. AHE is required triangle, so this is a given triangle. From the data also you can come to know. AM, TAM and AT are all the dimensions of this triangle. These two are the sides of triangle AMD. This is the angle of triangle AMD. Using these three, I have constructed triangle AMD, keeping in view one precaution which we have to take, that the common vertex should always come to the left hand corner, left hand bottom corner you can say. Okay, so AM is 6.3 centimeters. I drew that. Angle 8, angle TAM means angle is formed at vertex A. So A is 50 degrees. I have drawn a ray, 50 degree ray. AT is 5.6. From A I have drawn an arc. This is 5.6 centimeter. This is point T. Now I have to decide whether the required triangle is a smaller triangle or a larger triangle. AM upon AH is 7 by 5. So in the rough you can write AM is equal to 7K, AH is equal to 5. This is also not necessary. By observation also you can come to know. But for your convenience I am writing that. AH is 5K. AH is the side of the required triangle and it is 5K. So required triangle is smaller than the given triangle. ये जो साइड है रिक्वायर्ड ट्रायंगल की साइड 5K, ये अगर गिवन ट्रायंगल के साइड से छोटी है तो आपका रिक्वायर्ड ट्रायंगल छोटा है. आई होप इट इज वेरी क्लियर. इन द प्रीवियस एग्जांपल इट वाज रिवर्स. ओके, रिक्वायर्ड ट्रायंगल की जो साइड है, रिक्वायर्ड ट्रायंगल की साइड ये गिवन ट्रायंगल की साइड से छोटी है तो आपका रिक्वायर्ड ट्रायंगल छोटा है, स्मॉलर है. तो स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल है, ये कंक्लूजन आ गया. स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल है, ये कंक्लूजन आ गया. यू हैव टू कीप इट इन माइंड दैट द रिक्वायर्ड ट्रायंगल इज स्मॉलर. स्मॉलर है तो क्या होगा, ये जो साइड है इसके अंदर पैरेलल साइड आपको निकालनी होगी. अगर बड़ा होता तो इसके बाहर निकालते और छोटा होगा तो अंदर आएगी. ठीक है ना. तो स्मॉलर ट्रायंगल के लिए इसको पैरेलल साइड निकाली जाएगी अंदर में. Okay, how to do it? For that, you have to draw one ray. Okay, starting from common vertex of the triangle. ये मैं निकाल रहा हूं from point A. इसको थोड़ा और एक्सटेंड कर देता हूं. Here I'll show an arrow. Now I have to draw number of arcs on this ray. How many number of arcs? The number of arcs will be equal to the number which is greater out of these two. So 7 और 5 में से बड़ा कौन सा? 7. तो 7 arcs I am going to draw with the suitable radius. Again suitable means बहुत बड़ी नहीं, बहुत छोटी नहीं. So from here I'll start drawing 7 arcs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 arcs. So this is arc number 7. Okay, and this is arc number 5. Here 7, 6, 5. ये arc number 5. You can number the remaining arcs also, but they are of no use. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7. Now, which is the inner arc and outer arc? In the last example I told you that need not be written in the examination. वो rather must not be written in the examination. ये दोनों में से आर्क नंबर S5 ये रे के नजदीक आएगा, तो जो नजदीक आएगा दैट इज इनर आर्क. ये एग्जाम में लिखना नहीं होता. और जो एक्सट्रीम रहेगा दैट इज द आउटर आर्क. Okay, now in the table we have written previously and we have made a mnemonic for construction also, SOLI. तो smaller arc, अगर अपना required triangle smaller है तो you have to join this vertex SO, outer arc को join करेंगे तो ये this will go to the outer arc. Okay, so easy for decision making. I made it so easy. Just remember that mnemonic SOLI. Smaller, the required triangle is smaller, joined to the outer arc. Required triangle is larger, joined to the inner arc. Okay, so now the required triangle is smaller. कहाँ से पता चला? यहाँ से. The required triangle की साइड छोटी है given triangle से, तो आपका required triangle छोटा रहेगा. Okay, smaller रहेगा. So join M with S7. Once you join this, then the rest of the part is a routine. Common procedure after this. In the previous example also I told you, rest of the part is a routine we have to follow. Okay, now through this arc, I have got one angle here. This angle I am going to construct at S5. अगर यहाँ एंगल बनता है तो यहाँ पे कॉन्ग्रुएंट एंगल बनाएंगे, और यहाँ एंगल बनता है तो यहाँ पे कॉन्ग्रुएंट एंगल बनाएंगे. कैसे? Again with the same procedure. Take some distance, some radius in the rounder. Again suitable. Draw an arc like this. Okay. Keep the rounder on the inner arc and draw an arc almost of the same length. इससे थोड़ा बड़ा निकालेंगे तो ज्यादा अच्छा. Then take the distance between these 2 points. पहला आर्क एंगल की दोनों साइड को जहां इंटरसेक्ट कर रहा है, यू हैव टू टेक द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन दोज 2 पॉइंट्स एज द रेडियस. I have taken the distance between these 2 points as the radius. From here I am going to draw one arc. ये हो गया arc. Join that point of intersection with the inner arc and extend. Okay, so you have drawn a line parallel to line S7 and M. इसको parallel line निकाल दी. अब ये कौन सा vertex हो गया? M का corresponding vertex जो होगा वो आपको यहाँ पे मिल गया. So this is your H. M का corresponding vertex आपको यहाँ मिलता, और इसको parallel निकालेंगे तो जो थर्ड ये T है उसका करस्पॉन्डिंग वर्टेक्स यानी कौन सा E, वो मिल जाएगा. सो अगेन वी आर गोइंग टू ड्रॉ अ पैरेलल सेगमेंट. ओके, यहां से फिर वही बात. लेट मी शार्पन माय पेंसिल. ओके, नाउ फ्रॉम पॉइंट M I am going to draw one arc. Like this. You can take larger radius also. बड़ी radius लेंगे तो भी गलत नहीं होगा. Theoretically it is not wrong. So from here I am going to draw one arc like this. Lifting this and keeping on point H, I am going to draw a very similar arc of the same length. Okay, similar arc इसके जैसा यहाँ of the same length. Then take the distance between the points of intersection of the arc. ये arc के 2 points of intersection आ रहे हैं, उनके बीच में का distance लो as the radius. Okay, and keep it here. Draw the arc. Join that point of intersection of the two arcs with H and extend. यहाँ T है तो T का करस्पॉन्डिंग वर्टेक्स कौन सा है? E, तो ये आपका E हो गया. So what you have done, you have constructed triangle AHE similar to triangle AMT satisfying the given conditions. है ना? तो where is the point of confusion? Where can you get confused? ये जो point होता है यहाँ पर given triangle का right extreme end point, whether to join to the inner or outer arc. So I made a table for you by the mnemonic solely. Smaller है तो outer को join करो, required triangle smaller है तो outer को join करो, required triangle larger है तो inner को join करो, and rest of the procedure is same. यहाँ से दो parallel आएगी और यहाँ से दो parallel आएगी. That gives you the required triangle. With that we have completed all the constructions of the chapter, and what I want, using these 5 constructions which I have explained, 3 yesterday, 2 today, but for 2.2 I explained 2 examples because this is slightly difficult. You should be able to solve all the problems of geometric construction. With that I announce that the chapter is over. You solve the problems even from the problem set of this chapter, because nothing is going beyond what I have explained. So this chapter is over. Homework I am going to send you along with this video.